In this video, let me show you how to fix X cannot follow user. So in this situation, the first thing that you need to ensure is that you have not followed up to 400 people. So if you have already followed 400 people within X, this might be exactly causing the issue, because this is the absolute limit or the daily limit that you can follow the number of people. Also, make sure that the person or the user that you're trying to follow has not blocked you within this platform. If these are not the cases with you, then what you can do is just hop out of the application of X and simply tap and hold it. Head over to the eye icon, head over to storage, and right here you should be able to see the option called clear cache. This ensures that it deletes any sort of corrupted files and will also log you out of your account. If your device has the option called force stop, make sure you tap on the force stop as well, and once you do that, try to log into your account and try to see if the issue is solved. Alongside that, what you'll also need to ensure is that you are not connected to any sort of VPNs. If you are, make sure you disconnect. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.